Hi everyone, and welcome back to Evelyn and Peter. Today I'm going to show you guys how to work a foundation double crochet stitch. So to begin, just create a slip knot, insert your hook, and then pull tight to secure. We're going to start off with chaining 3. Now sometimes for this stitch you can chain 4. I've seen it done both ways, but I prefer to chain 3. You can do whatever you're most comfortable with. And to start the stitch, you're going to yarn over and then insert your hook into that first chain made. I've seen it done both ways. You can insert so you're going under both loops. I prefer to stick it into the back loop only. You can do whichever way you prefer to do it. So again, insert your hook into that first chain, yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through that first loop, and then yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through the final 2 loops, and that's 1 double crochet. And you can see on the bottom it created a little V shape, and that's where we're going to insert our hook next. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through that first loop on your hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the final 2 loops. You can see again that it created another V, and that's where we're going to insert our hook. Repeat the same thing again for your 3rd double crochet. And then again, yarn over, insert your hook into that V, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And you can see that it's creating a nice row of double crochet stitches and the chain stitches right below it. And you can just keep repeating this for as many stitches as your pattern calls for. So again, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Just repeat the same process. And if you wanted to start a second row, it's the same as normal. You would just chain 2, turn your work, and then you can start working double crochet stitches back down the row or whatever your pattern calls for. It's very simple. And that's it. That's the foundation double crochet stitch. Hope you guys like this video. Be sure to subscribe and come back for more.